it's me Ashley and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Today guys, I have got an unboxing of the Secret Scents August box. Okay, so like I say, I have been sent a package from the lovely guys at Secret Scents and I'm going to do an unboxing for you. So this is how the box comes in the post. It's super useful because it means if you're not in, this will slide so easily through your letterbox. I absolutely love that because I'm terrible at missing parcels and then it's calling in between work and things to remember to pick them up. So the fact that this can go through the letterbox if you're not in is amazing. So once we open up the box, there is our secret scent box. It's in a lovely little display box. I think it's really nice. And it just says secret scent box in there. And then inside are our perfumes. So if you don't know what a secret scent box is, it is a subscription service or it's something you can opt in and out of should you want to. And in there you get to try 3 perfumes a month. I think that's a fab idea because I'm weird with perfumes. Sometimes I really like something and then the more I wear it, I'm a bit like, oh, I don't know if I like it. So the fact that you can try these and, you know, wear them for a good little while, I think is amazing. Inside they hold enough perfume for you to see you through the whole of the month. So that's really, really good. So the box costs £15 a month, which makes each perfume sample £5, and £15 a month for a perfume isn't too bad. And you can get it a lot cheaper if you opt for the 6-month or 12-month subscription. And there's usually codes and things about, so check that out. Okay, so I am just going to open it and show you guys what's inside. There should be 3 perfumes, all designer, and some little note cards about each one. So I'm going to read you what they say and we'll give each one a little spray and see what I think. So opening the box. Inside then it says it is the August edition for her, and there's a lovely bright orange card. And then inside we get a win a £25 gift card from Amazon. You just leave them a review on Trustpilot or Facebook to be in with a chance of winning. So that's really nice. Wow, £25 to try some perfume. Fantastic. And then inside you can see we have our 3 perfumes in there. I think they're all clicked in. And we get 3 little information cards about them. So I'm just going to go through them one by one and we'll talk about each one separately. Okay then, so our first one is Stella McCartney, and it is Stella by Stella McCartney. And on the little card, it says, this is a feminine and sophisticated floral fragrance designed as a homage to the English rose in full bloom in a classic English garden. So that sounds like a very floral scent. It says it's got top notes of mandarin essence, and middle notes of English rose accord and base notes of amber accord. So let's give this one a little spray. It sounds like it's going to be very feminine. Okay, I suppose I could spray it on the card. Ready? Ooh, it's very citrusy actually. Ooh, it's a nice smell. I like that. Yeah, like citrusy, but with a floral undertone to it. I quite like that, really nice. So that was our first one, Stella by Stella McCartney. Okay then, our next one is by Tommy Hilfiger, and it is Tommy Girl Sunkissed. So the little note card on this one says, a brand new scent just launched in 2019 by Tommy Hilfiger, capturing the spirit of summer adventure in a new floral fruity scent. So again, it sounds like another feminine, florally perfume. So it says the top notes of cranberry, pixie tangerine and red apple, with middle notes of magnolia, beach gardenia and blue violet, and base notes of birchwood, rum and peach cobbler. Ooh! So let's give this one a sniff. It sounds like it's going to be a very summery scent. Oh, I like that one. It's hard to pick apart any of these bits and bobs that it's got in it, but it's a really, really nice scent. Again, quite summery, quite fresh. Yes, I like that. That's really good. So that one was Tommy Hilfiger, Tommy Girl Sunkissed. The last one that we get then is an Elizabeth Arden Always Red Femme. To be honest, I've had some Elizabeth Arden skincare. Absolutely fantastic, but I didn't even realise she did perfume, so this should be interesting. Okay, so the little card on this one says, This intriguing, feminine and dynamic fragrance is spirited and sensual expression of the woman who sets the New York City pace. It's got top notes of raspberry, lemon, pear, blackcurrant buds, with middle notes of peach blossom, jasmine and davana. And it's got base notes of vanilla, I love me some vanilla, patchouli, cedarwood and moss. Okay, so this one sounds like it's going to be quite fruity, possibly. There's a lot of top notes of fruit in there. So let's give this one a little sniff. Oh, that's really nice. It's a very feminine scent, I feel like. Really, really nice. Actually, we've got 3 absolutely lovely smelling perfumes in here. I'm really, really pleased with this. So thank you so much, Secret Scents. It's absolutely lovely. And to try out each perfume, I just think it's a really good idea for a box, you know, because it's a lot of money to buy a bottle of perfume sometimes if you're not 100% sure that you're going to like the scent. So to get to try them is absolutely fantastic. So guys, that is this month's Secret Scents box. I will link down below to the website where you can go pick it up yourself or take a little look, and any discount codes I find I will pop down there also. And yeah, so I think this is a really nice box. It's, you know, there's so many subscription boxes out there, but I like that this one's a little bit different. It's going to help me smell lovely for the rest of the month. So I'm really excited to try some of these. I was really pleased with every single one of these. I thought it was really, really nice. I can be funny with perfume sometimes, so the fact that these are all brilliant is marvellous. So guys, if you have liked this video, then please hit that like button and give me a huge thumbs up. And remember to subscribe if you haven't already. It'll be fantastic to have you here. So until my next video, thank you so much for watching and I will see you soon. Goodbye.